Welcome to my lecture on heat and thermodynamics. This is my first lecture. In my first lecture, I'll teach you very important technique, analyzing thermal circuits. With the help of my technique, because you have studied circuits in electricity, so all these questions on thermal circuits, different combination of rods and conducting materials can be analyzed using the circuits. How this concept basically depends upon current dq by dt flowing through rods or any conducting materials is equal to Ka by L delta T. This is the equation of conductivity. Now, delta T is the voltage equivalent. That is, the temperature difference causes the flow of heat. And this is dq by dt is rate of heat flowing per second. Now, this gives you I is equal to delta V by R. Delta V is delta T. Therefore, R is equal to L K by A. L by Ka. Now, thermal resistance is equal to L by Ka. Like this. There was a rod of length 2L and there was a rod of 3L by 2. Now, what I have done, because your K and A are same, therefore L will be proportional to resistance. Now, this is, if I take this as R by 2, this will be R by 4, this will be R, this component will be R by 4, this will be R, this will be R by 2. Equivalent resistance R by 2, this is R plus this, 3R by 2 in parallel R and R by 2. This comes out to be 3 by 5 R. Now, use your Dino concept, because same current or same heat is flowing, therefore the temperature difference in each part will be proportional to the resistance. That is 3 by 5 R divided by total 8 by 5 R into total temperature difference, which is 120 given to you. Now 3 by 8 into 120 gives you 45 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature difference TPQ. In this question, this was not asked, but I have given you how to calculate R by 2 divided by total into 120, 37.5. This part and this part will again be 37.5. Now, so you have very good exposure to circuits. In one of my lectures on electrical circuits, I have given you elaborate method of calculating voltages and currents. Using this concept, you see this question becomes very easy. Let us discuss answer number 2. Now, using my technique of thermal circuits, which I have elaborated in question number 1, this question becomes oral. First one is Ra, Rb, that is thermal resistance. Thermal resistance is equal to L by Ka. Therefore, R becomes proportional to 1 by K. In this case, your length and area are the same of two blocks. Therefore, Ra by Rb becomes Kb by Ka equal to 200 by 300. That is 2 by 3 is the ratio. Now, you apply Dino concept, that is division of temperatures. Delta Ta, that is first one, is equal to Ra divided by total resistance into 100. 2 by 5, 2 by total 5 into 140 degree. Tb is equal to 3 by 5 into 100 degree, 60 degree. But be careful. Temperature difference is 40 degree, not the temperature. Be careful here. So temperature difference from 100, temperature difference is 40, this comes out to be 60. But I would suggest that you should take temperature difference from 0 degree side. That will give you direct answer. Delta Tb is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, temperature is equal to 60 degree of junction. Okay, students, let us discuss answer number 3. In this, there is a composite rod or block. There is a variation, slight variation. Sometimes he varies conductivity, sometimes he varies length, sometimes he varies areas. In this case, he has varied the conductivity. P to Q conductivity is 2K, R to S conductivity is K. temperature difference maintained is 10 degree and 400 degree. Remember delta T is 390. Now there is a usual method, because there is a series combination at steady state, whatever heat is coming should go out. That is same dq by dt should be there. The usual method is 2Ka by L T minus 10 is equal to Ka L 400 minus T. This gives you twice of T minus 10, 400 minus T. 3T is equal to 420, T is equal to 140 degree. Do you know concept and thermal circuits? Then you know R is proportional to L by Ka. L and A are same, therefore RPQ, first one, divided by RS is equal to K by 2K, inverse ratio, 1:2. Now this gives you answer, because delta TPQ is equal to 1 by total 3 into 390, 130. Now you have to be careful here, because sometimes students write this answer. This is not the answer. This is the temperature difference. That is TQ minus TP equal to 130. TQ minus 10 is equal to 130. TQ is equal to 140. Remember this gives you temperature difference, not the actual value of the temperature at the junction. The concept of let us discuss answer number 4. Now, thermal circuits, this is another variation. Two important things which I want to tell you in this question is, even if examiner is giving you values, don't worry. Examiner is not interested in your calculations, how fast you calculate. He doesn't want to make you calculator. He is interested in your concepts. So you will find most of the time the things will cancel out. Another thing is, don't worry about CGS and SI, because throughout the same units are used, so they cut it out. Now in this point, this is at 100 degree, the junction is at T degree, and the other junction is maintained at 0 degree. Area is same throughout, therefore under steady state condition, the heat flowing from this point to this point, that is dq by dt first, should be equal to that parallel division of heat, dq by dt twice, 2, dq by dt 3. Now here you are given K, A is same, therefore cancel out. 0.92 divided by 46 length, 100 minus T, 0.26 divided by 13, T minus 0 plus 0.12 divided by 12, T minus 0. So you need not cut, because straightforward you are getting 2, 100 minus T, this is 2T, this is T. 5T is equal to 200, T is equal to 40 degrees C. Let us discuss answer number 5. Because we are analyzing thermal circuits, this is a case of parallel combination of resistances, and R thermal resistance is equal to L by Ka. In this case, this whole length is L. So there are two cylinders connected in parallel. Therefore, parallel combination 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. L is same throughout. Therefore, K equivalent into A equivalent. You will have a combined cylinder of 2R with 4A. So, K equivalent, A equivalent, L equivalent, K1, A1, L1, K2, L2, A2. That is K equivalent into 4A divided by L, 4A of total area 4A. Equivalent निकालने के लिए, because length is same throughout, L will cut out. K equivalent into 4 is equal to K1 plus 3K2. Therefore, K equivalent is equal to K1 plus 3K2 divided by 4. I think the answer will become very easy for you. Discuss answer number 6. It's a sort of very important concept, because when I say DINO, many people ask what is this DINO? DINO is direct inverse, that is, if series combination is there, the potential difference is divided in direct ratio. If parallel combination is there, then current is divided in inverse ratio. Now, very important concept is there is some data, there are certain facts which are not relevant. In this case, when I say this is a temperature A, this is a root 2 T, A is at T, this is Tc. Now, you might be tempted that this current or this voltage is equal to this voltage. Problem is this is not relevant. What you have to say is current flowing from B to C should be same as current flowing from C to A. Now, therefore, BA is not needed, not relevant. At steady state, B to C and C to A, same current dq by dt is flowing. This fact will give you the answer. How? dq by dt BC, dq by dt CA. What is it? Ka by A. This temperature is root 2T minus Tc. Ka by root 2A, the length is root 2A, Tc minus T. This gives you root 2 cross multiplication, 2T minus root 2 Tc, Tc minus 1. This gives you Tc is equal to 3 divided by root 2 plus 1. What I am trying to emphasize is all the information in a question may not be relevant. That is by denom, not relevant. You have to be careful. Whatever is relevant is to be used, but there are certain facts which are not relevant. You have to reject them and do the question without them. Sometimes one quantity is varying directly, one quantity is varying inversely and no change. Sometimes the quantity is not changing, not dependent. For that also N is there, not relevant, not changing. And fourth is O. O means 0. Whenever in a question there is a particular choice 0, be careful because he has given 0. So apply your brain, 0 might be one of the options in that question. If you like the video, share it with other friends, and if there is some improvement you want, you can talk to me.